Become costing methods, comparison between job costing and process costing, present by A.K. Mekla. Process costing. In this session, we shall see the comparison between job costing and process costing. When we see a comparison between job costing and process costing, we should consider certain basic factors. Based on the basic factors, we have to differentiate the job costing and process costing. On the basis of specific orders, in job costing, production is against specific orders from customers. In case of process costing, production is not against specific order, it is continuous. Here, on the basis of specific order means the customers will be giving some specific orders. In job costing, customers will come and they will give some specific orders. So based on the specific orders, in job costing, production will be undertaking. In process costing, there is no such specific order. The producer do not receive any specific order for production. For each and every product, in case of job costing, the job changes, the production changes, the produced unit changes. Whereas in process costing, the production process does not change. For a bulk of products, there won't be any change. That's why the production is continuous. Second point, on the basis of determination of cost, in job costing, cost is calculated after completion of the job. In case of process costing, on the basis of determination of cost, costs are calculated at the end of the cost period. In job costing, as soon as the job is completed, the cost will be calculated and profit is found out. Whereas in case of process costing, costs are calculated at the end of the cost period, that is for the financial period. Third one, on the basis of transfer of cost. In job costing, there are transfer of cost from one job to another job. Sometimes they may transfer, sometimes they may not transfer. In job costing, there is transfer of cost from one process to another process. So in process costing, there may be 3 to 5 processes. So the production process overall production has to pass on from one process to another process. So as such, the transfer of cost also takes place. Fourth one, on the basis of cost control. In job costing, cost control is difficult as each product unit is different and the production is not continuous. Whereas in case of process costing, cost of control of cost is easier as the production is standardized or homogeneous or uniform. In case of job costing, it is very difficult to find out the cost. As such, it's very difficult to manage the cost. Whereas in case of process costing, the cost can be controlled easier as the production is very much standardized and the produced units are homogeneous, and even the production process is also homogeneous for bulk of products. Because in job costing, the cost control is very difficult because the production takes place according to the customer's needs. Whenever the customer needs changes, the production also has to be, the production process or the production design also has to be changed. As such, the cost control calculation makes difficult. Whereas in case of process costing, it's very much easier. Fourth one, next one, on the base of application. Job costing is applicable to industries where goods are produced according to the customer specifications. That is, here in case of job costing, it is applicable to industries or factories where the goods are produced according to the customer's needs or customer's orders, customer's preferences, customer's taste. So the goods may, the production processes may, the production design, the production techniques may vary from one to another. Whereas in case of process costing, application, the process costing is applicable to industries where goods are made for stock and production is continuous. Here the goods are kept for stock and after some time the production, the sale takes place. As such, the production is continuous. Next one, on the basis of work in progress. In job costing, there may or may not be work in progress because there is no, once the job gets over, then the produced goods are given to the customers and there won't be any work in progress. Whereas in case of process costing, there is always work in progress because the output of the first process becomes the input of the next process, and each and every product has to undergo 3 to 5 processes. So there will be always work in progress. To refer these things, we shall go through this website as well as one text.